Overall dimensions: 12.5 by 8.25 by 1.5 inch, interior, 7 by 11 inch. Constructed of durable carbon steel with our exclusive premium non-stick coating. Allows even heat distribution, providing your baked goods with a perfect browning. Great for baking brownies, cakes and more. Backed by our 5-year warranty for promised and continued satisfaction. Which do you prefer? Bakeware that disappoints or bakeware that performs? This brownie pan is part of the preferred non-stick bakeware collection, designed specifically for Fox Run. It features our exclusive premium non-stick coating, which provides quick and easy release of baked goods. This pan is made of heavy-gauge carbon steel, allowing even heat distribution for exceptional baking that is backed by our 5-year warranty. Great for baking brownies, cakes, and more. Bake the preferred way, with bakeware that performs. 5-year warranty. Fox Run Brands warrants that this bakeware will be free of defects for 5 years from date of purchase. If product does not function as warranted, return to Fox Run Brands, 1907 Stout Drive, Ivyland, Pennsylvania, 18974, with original purchase receipt. A replacement or similar item of equal value will be returned to you. This warranty is void if product is used commercially or is damaged by negligence or misuse. Scratches or discoloration may occur from normal use and is not subject to warranty protection. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice pan, perfect for small cakes and brownies. I liked this pan enough that I went and got a second one. We needed something to bake brownies that could fit into an 8-inch pizza box. This one fits the bill nicely. The pan itself touches the walls of the exactly 8-inch box, and so with the approximate 1/4 inch pan edge, that means that the product it produces works about 7.5 inches going side to side and top to bottom. Overall height is about 1.25 inches. The pan is considered a dark pan and directions need to take this into account as it can cook differently. The finish is very smooth, the pan is well built and rigid, and it should last quite a long time. The pan is highly recommended and is perfect for putting out a product that is just about the right size for two. Kudos Fox Run.